Assalamu alaikum. All right. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I hope that you all are keeping cool. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google, all the social media. We are scrolling so much time. We are spending so much time here just for entertainment and enjoying. But we don't know facilities to using this app. Okay. But I would like to share with you how I am using this social media. Okay, just for learning. I am learning this on this site. Okay, social media to know anything here, but we are using just for entertainment. Okay, why we are using this site for entertainment? It's a, right, you are enjoying, but all the time, so much time, too much time we are using this app, in this app, just for enjoying. Okay, it's very bad to for us, because of time is very valuable things. We are wasting time to using this site. Okay, actually I like to share with you for right way to this using this app. Okay, actually I will share with you how I am using this site. Okay, actually I'm learning. I'm a student, that's why I have to learn many things. But when I don't know anything, I find out on YouTube, Google, Facebook, and other social media. But after that I get all the result to know anything, and I learned properly. Okay, so I'm using Facebook. That means I get I get so much news on Facebook. So it's a very helpful, useful for me. I can know many things on YouTube, Facebook. Okay, Google, it's a very the world village. Okay, world village. Scholar say that it's a Google world village. You want to, you can know many things on YouTube, Facebook, and Google. That means American news. You have learned, you have to see, you can see on your YouTube, Google, Facebook. Okay, American news, you you can see on your Facebook. Okay, sitting on the sitting on your house. Okay, it's a very helpful for you, it's a very useful for you, it's a very helpful for me. We don't know how to use this site. Okay, that's it. Actually, just I would like to share with you, as if we don't use this app without any good works, without any matters. Okay, we are finding, we are always using this site without any works, without any matter. Okay, we have to use this site just for working, just for learning, just for knowing, just for teaching, just for good working. Okay, it's a very imagine, it's a very good place to know anything. So actually this site we will use, we will like, we have to like good anything, we have to like, comment, share good any pages. What you know, that means you are a student, you can follow educational post, you can comment educational post, you can share every single post as a student, educational. Okay, but you are businessman, you can follow businessman side, how to management business. And you are a job holder, you are you want to know something about computer, you can subscribe all the computer learning or computer teachings program, and computer teachings channel. Okay, but we don't know, we don't want to use this site just for learning. Okay, I am saying to our student, that is very important this site for us. Every single person are is using just for learning. So intelligent person, that who are intelligent person, we want to intelligent, but we actually I am intelligent. I have intelligent. I have a very good idea, but we don't work this idea. Actually, it's a very bad things for us. uh, at last, I would like to share with you that is very important. uh, we can use this site just for learning. Okay, this site just for I'm talking to you for as a student. You can use this site for learning. Okay, more of the story, you have to use your time in good work.